Write short notes on Debye's theory of specific heat. Now answer. Debye's theory of specific heat. Debye's assumptions. His first assumption is solid vibrates elastically in many different modes with frequency varying from 1 mode to other. A second assumption is two kind of vibrations are produced one is transverse vibration and second one is longitudinal vibrations. Now, his third assumption is the total number of vibration vibrational modes in frequency range nu to nu plus dV is delta n is equal to volume V into 4 pi nu square dV nu upon VL cube. Here VL is the longitudinal velocity of the vibration plus 2 times the volume into 4 pi nu square d nu divided by Vt cube. Vt is the velocity of transverse mode. This can be written as 4 pi V bracket 1 by VL cube plus 2 by Vt cube into nu square d nu. Because total number of modes are 3n, so we can write 3n is equal to integration of dn. That implies 3n is equal to 4 pi v 1 upon VL cube plus 2 by VT cube integration of nu square d nu 0 to nu max. That implies 3n is equal to 4 pi v 1 plus VL cube plus 2 upon VT cube Vm cube by 3 or 4 pi v 1 upon VL cube plus 2 by VT cube is equal to 9n upon Vm cube. Here nu m is maximum vibrational frequency. Now, fourth, energy associated with one gram atom of solid for frequency range nu to nu plus d nu is delta E is equal to h nu upon e की power h nu by kt minus 1 into 4 pi v one upon VL cube plus 2 by VT cube. Into nu square d nu. This is the energy associated with one kind of vibration. And this is the number of modes. In the energy range E to E plus d. Now, this can be written as 9n upon nu m cube, just calculated in the previous step, into h nu cube d nu upon e की power h nu by kt minus 1. So total energy is integration of this. So E is equal to integration delta E, which in fact is equal to 9nh upon nu m cube integration 0 to nu max nu cube d nu upon e की power h nu by kt minus 1. By putting h nu by kt is equal to x, we get delta nu is equal to kt by h into dx. So E can be written as E is equal to 9 nh upon nu m cube integration 0 to h nu m by kt k cube t cube x cube upon h cube e की power x minus 1 into kt by h delta x. That implies E is equal to 9 nh Vm cube kt by h की पावर 4 integration 0 to h nu m by kt x cube dx upon ex minus 1. Here h nu m by k has a dimension of temperature and it is known as Debye temperature. So Debye temperature is noted by which is equal to h nu m by k. Okay. Now, after getting E, he tried to calculate the specific heat of solid Cv. So, fifth step is specific heat of solid Cv is equal to, by definition, d upon dt at constant volume. Now to differentiate this equation, we use Leibniz formula. Leibniz formula से d of dt integration of a function fx dx for limit nu t to vt is equal to value of function at v into dv upon dt minus value of function at u into du upon dt. So by using Leibniz formula, we can write Cv is equal to 9 n k4 upon nu m cube h cube d of dt of t की power 4 0 to h nu m kt x cube dx upon e की पावर x minus 1. This can be written as 9nk4 nu m cube h cube फोर t cube integration 0 to debase temperature by T x cube dx upon Ex minus 1. Plus t की पावर 4 d of dt integration 0 to debase temperature by T x cube dx upon Ex minus 1. This can be simplified and can be written as 9r upon theta cube cube 4t cube 0 to theta by t debase temperature by temperature x cube dx upon Ex minus 1 plus t की पावर 4 theta upon t की पावर क्यूब अपॉन e की पावर debate temperature by T minus 1 into theta upon minus T square. This can be written as 9r by theta d cube 4t cube 0 to theta by t x cube dx upon e की पावर x minus 1 minus theta की पावर 4 upon t into 1 upon e की पावर theta by t minus 1. Here r is the universal gas constant whose value is r is equal to Kn. K is the Boltzmann constant and n is the Avogadro number. Now for next step, for higher temperature debate temperature by T is very less than 1. That implies that e की power x minus 1 is almost equal to 1 plus x minus 1 and that equal to x. So for higher temperature the value of Cv becomes Cv is equal to 9r by theta cube bracket 4t cube 0 to theta by t x k dx minus theta की power 4 by t into t by theta, which can be written as 9r by theta cube 4t cube into 1 by 3 theta cube upon t cube minus theta cube. That can be written as Cv is equal to 9r 4 by 3 minus 1 is equal to 3r. So for higher value of temperature, the value of specific heat of solid is equal to 3r. That agrees with the experimental values. This is the same value which is given by Dulong's and Pettit law. But for lower temperature, the next step, in lower temperature range, d theta upon t is very, very large compared to 1. That implies theta by t is almost equal to infinity. So we know from the integration, the value of this integration from 0 to infinity x cube upon e की power x minus 1 dx is equal to pi की power 4 upon 15. So Cv becomes 9r upon theta की power cube 4t cube pi की power 4 by 15 minus 0, and this can be written as 12 by 5 r pi की power 4 theta cube into t की power 3. So for lower temperature, specific heat of solid is directly proportional to t cube, which agrees with experiment. Before that, Einstein find that for lower temperature, specific heat of solid is directly proportional to temperature, which would not agree with the experiments. So if we draw the curve specific heat and temperature, then this is the curve. Thank you.